So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Microsoft call options in Canada, ticker symbol MSFT, here on Wealthsimple. So first thing you have to do is open up your Wealthsimple account. Then once you're on your Wealthsimple account, go into whatever account that you wish. So for me, it's going to be my non-registered account. Once that is done, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass icon right below the trade and right beside the house icon. So go ahead and press on that. Now to make things super simple, just go to the search bar here at the top and press on it and then type in ticker symbol MSFT for Microsoft. So as you can tell, there's actually two different options here. What we want to do is press the second one because there is the options button beside it. So we're going to go ahead and press on the Microsoft Corporation with the options tab. Then we're going to go ahead and press on buy at the bottom and then press on options. Then once you're on this screen, if you want to buy some Microsoft call options, it's super simple. Go to the top, make sure that it says I believe that Microsoft will rise by. So if you go ahead and press on where it says rise, it actually has the call option button checked. If for whatever reason it is on put option, it's going to say Microsoft will fall by. So make sure you go ahead and press on where it says rise or fall and make sure that call option is checked. Now if you want to change the expiry date, it's super simple as well. I just go to where it says by September 29th for me. Go ahead and press on that date. And if you want to change it to a future date, go ahead and do so on this screen. Now, if you want to go out of the money, you can go out of the money at the top here. If you want to go in the money, you can find a strike price that is in the money at the bottom here. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and go to out of the money and go to $315 USD. Press on that. Then if you want to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom and press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Microsoft call options in Canada, ticker symbol MSFT, here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.